Welcome to the NPS channel, students. Welcome to the ISSO Class 8 Preparation International Social Studies Olympiad. Today I'm going to discuss Chapter 2 from MTG Workbook, ISSO Class 8, the establishment of the company power. From this area, I'm going to discuss the correct answer from this portions. So, the first question is the powerful regional kingdom emerged in the various parts of India after the death of Dash. Options are Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Akbar, Jahangir. The correct options from this area is Aurangzeb. Next question is by the second half of the 18th century, a new power was emerging on the political horizon of India. It was Dash. Options are Marathas, British, Rajput, and Jats. The option is British because it's done in a British period. Next question is in Dash, the East India Company acquired a charter from the rule of England, granting its sole right to trade with the East. Options are 1600, 1650, 1500, and 1550. So the correct option from this area I'm going to correct is the 1600. Next is the before the arrival of the British in India, Dash had already established their presence in the western coast of India. Next question from this area. Before the arrival of the British in India, Dash had already established their presence in the western coast of India. Options are French, German, Italian, Portuguese. The correct option from this area is the Portuguese, option D. Next is Vasco da Gama discovered in the sea routes to India in Dash. Options are 1492, 1498, 1482, 1480. So the correct options from this area, I'm going to choose the option B, 1482. Next question is who among the following had trade relations with the India had in the past? Yes, we definitely know that thing, which is Portuguese. Next question from this area. Which of the following Indian products had great demand in Europe? Options are cotton, spices, silk, all of this. The correct answer is all of this from this area. The next segment questions from this area. Select the incorrect statements from above options. The trading posts were protected through the fortification. Next is the first English factory was set up on the banks of the Hooghly in 1600. Company traders were known as the factors, and all the companies interested in buying same things. The correct answer from this particular questions I'm going to choose the option B. The first English factory was set up on the banks of the Hooghly River in 1600. Next is, this is also the series based question. Arrange the following Nawabs of Bengal in the chronological order. First is Alivardi Khan, Murshid Quli Khan, then is Siraj Dowla. The correct option I'm going to choose you from this area is option C. First is Murshid Quli Khan, then is Alivardi Khan, and last is Siraj Dowla. Next is number 10 is Maratha power was crushed in the Third Anglo-Maratha War in Dash. Options are 1803 to 05, 1817 to 19, 1872, 1799. The correct option from this area option B. Next, which Nawab captured the company? Officials locked the warehouse and dismayed all Englishmen and the blocked English ships in the Qasim Bazaar. Yes, definitely we heard from the novels of the Siraj Dowla, option B. Next question from this area. Select the odd one out from the basis of the doctrine of lapse. Yes, definitely you have heard from the history chapter of class 8, the doctrine of lapse, and particularly odd one out sector from this area we definitely knew Bengal. Next question from this area is number 13. Battle of Buxar was fought in Dash. Options are 1764, 1760, 1757, and 1746. So the correct options I'm going to choose you from this area is 1764. Next is in 1765, the Mughal emperor appointed Dash as the Diwan of the provinces of Bengal. Options are Robert Clive, Mir Qasim, James Mill, and the company. The most specified from this area is the company. No one is there to appoint as a Bengal, only the company. So, who was the cross-examined the communication of the British Parliament in 1772? Options are Mirzapur, Warren Hastings, Robert Clive, and Mir Qasim. The correct option from this area is Robert Clive. Next question: which of the among following was not in the terms of the subsidiary alliance? Options are Indian rulers allowed to have their independent armed force. Indian rulers were to the protected by the company. They had to pay the subsidiary forces and all of this. So the correct options from this area I'm going to choose is option A. Indian rulers allowed to have their independent armed forces. Next is the 17. Which among the following were annexed by the company through the doctrine of lapse? From number 17, the series based question. All of these also related to the doctrine lapse, but which is the first? As per that, we have to assign it in a chronological way. Satara, Nagpur, Udaipur, Jhansi. I'm going to choose you the series. The option from this area is option D. First is number 1 Satara, then next is Udaipur, next is 3 Nagpur, and number 4 is Jhansi. Whatever it is given in the main option, as per that it's correct. Our next question is 18. In 1785, Das disallowed the local merchants from the trading with the company. Options are Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan, Sirajudullah, Mir Qasim. The correct options from this area is Tipu Sultan. Next question from this area. Tipu Sultan established a close relationship with the Dash in India, modernized his army with their help. Options are, we can see, French, Portuguese, German, Dutch. The correct options from this area we can choose definitely the French. Next question. 4 wars were fought between the company and Mysore. Only the last, the Battle of Dash, company ultimately won a victory. Options are Mysore, Mangalore, Boxar, and Seringapatam. So the correct options from the Mysore War. Next is the Achiever section hot questions. Again, series based questions, and the match the following questions we can get it from here. Next question from this area. Read the following sentences and choice and which are the true and which one of the false. Seringapatam was the capital of the Hyderabad. Next, company forces to the defeated by the Hyder Ali and the Sultan in several battles. Tipu Sultan was known as the Tiger of Mysore. Mysore was placed under the Marathas after Tipu Sultan's death. Options already given. We have to rectify what options basically is correct. So the option is C is particularly the correct option as per the series. First, Roman 1 portions, the statement is false. The second statement is very true. Third is also the true. And the fourth one is again false. Next, number 22 question is match the columns and select the correct options. Column 1 is Farman, Mercenary, Robert Clive, and Tipu Sultan, and column 2 is Business Enterprise, Seringapatam, Royal Order, Battle of Palasi. So, as per that, we can match the following. The correct options from this area is option C. Number 3 related to number A, Farman, Royal Order. Next is 1 related to B, Business Enterprise, Mercantile. Yes. Number 4 related to C, Robert Clive and Battle of Palasi. Yes. And number 4 related to the last portion, which is Seringapatam, Tipu Sultan. Is this the correct answer? Next question is on the hearing of the news of the fall of Roman 1, the company officials in Dash Roman 2 send the forces under the commanded of Dash 3, and as per that we can say after the prolonged negotiations with the Nawab, finally 1715, we can see it from this area against of Sirajudullah at number 4. The correct option from this area we can choose option B, Calcutta, Madras, Robert Clive, and Palasi. How we can say? Because on the hearing of the news of the fall of Option B, Calcutta. Company of the officials of Madras sent forces under to the command of Robert Clive, and after the prolonged negotiations with the Nawab, finally 1757, company army fought against the Sirajullah at number 4 Palasi. Next is the map based question. This is the map in India 1840, and select of the options and correct identifies the Bombay, Madras, Calcutta and Banaras. Yes, definitely I'm going to choose you from as per this map order. The correct is A. A means Bombay. You can definitely Bombay, Calcutta, Banaras, Madras. Bombay, Calcutta, Banaras, Madras. So as per this, you can definitely see it from here. Bombay is from here. Calcutta is from the sea. This is the B. Okay. Bombay. Then Madras we can see from here. Then Banaras is number from here, and Calcutta definitely C. So as per that, in this order you can definitely see the option A is the correct one. Next is number 25. Again map based question. You can see it from here. The given map factories of the 4 European companies marked, identify them, choose the correct option. Yes, the correct option from all of these statements, I'm going to choose you option B. English Roman 1 area. Next is Portuguese number 2 area or Portuguese colonized area. Number 3 is French. Number 3 is French and number 4 is Dutch. This is the correct answer from this area. And again I'm going to say you, whenever you fill this, the MCQ mode is given as per the test numbers and series wise also OMR sheets. So you have to fill it up these sheets again. Okay, if the correct answer from the question 1 option D, then you have to again bold this with the use of dot pencil or whatever instructions is given on the examination. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video, and from the very next session I'm going to discuss the chapter 3, rural life and tribal society. Till then, take care, see you soon, thank you.